guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have I Feel Too Much by Blackbear, and this is the last song left. So I have done all the song which Blackbear has released recently, so you can actually check out the playlist. There are all the songs, and the cool thing about that is I think there are 4 songs. These 4 songs, they don't need any capo. They're all without the capo, and on top of that they're all open chords, which makes difference. So let's get into it. Have a look at the structure. We start off with the intro, then you have the verse, then also we have a pre-chorus, then you have a chorus, and then we have like a drop, and then another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus, another drop, and after that a bridge, and then a last chorus and all. So firstly, let's have a look at the chord shapes. The first chord is a D major, which is mute mute 0 2 3 2. Next chord is the A major, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. Then we have a F sharp minor, which is 2 4 4 2 2 2. Then we have an E major, which is 0 2 2 1 0. These are the chords we need for the song. Now the chord progression remains same throughout the whole song. So let's have a look at the chord progression. Firstly, it's a D, then an A, then an F sharp minor, then an E. You know the chord progression, and now I'm just gonna break down the rhythm and strumming pattern and everything. Firstly, let's start off with the intro. We have the small riff. So we play 7th fret on the B string. We play it 4 times. So we play it down with your pick. You play it down, up, down, up. Then we play it another 2 times, but this time it's a bit fast. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So we got down, up, down, up, down, up. And then with your index finger, you're just gonna take that to the 14th fret of the B string. And you will play the same thing over here. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you're gonna move on to the 10th fret of the B string. You do the same thing. And play 9th fret on the B string. Sorry. That's it. Now we're just gonna move on to the verse. And for the verse, the chord progression told you it's same throughout the whole song. But for this part, the verse specifically, I just want to do 1 down on each chord, and that will be enough. So 1 down on each chord. So we got D major 2 3 4, A major 2 3 4, F sharp minor 2 3 4, go to a E 2 3 4, and that goes for the verse as well as for the next verse. And then we have the pre-chorus. It's the same thing, 1 down each chord, but what I like to do is to make it a bit show. I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound needed. So this palm part I have, it's a very soft part, you can see. So you can just put this on the guitar after you do a down on the strings basically. 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and just go 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. And now we have the chorus. Now for the chorus, I'll likely show you one rhythm. For the chorus and the drop, it's actually the same thing, but you can just go with the same string pattern, but I'm just going to show you 2 rhythms. So the rhythm 1, which goes for the chorus, like I just want to put that for the chorus, will be like this. So now have a look at my right hand also. On the D major chord, I do down, up, mute. Then on the A major, I do 3 downstroke. So we got, and then I move on to the F sharp minor and the E, and I do the exact same thing. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So let's play the chorus rhythm. Add some extra downs and ups, mutes and all if you want to make it a bit more spicy. So we got, have the drop, and for the drop the rhythm will be a down, down, up, up, down. It's so simple that anyone can actually play. So we have down, down, up, up, down. So we got down, down, up, up, down. So it's a lot easy. It's a down, down, up, up, down. So down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. So just gonna play that once for each chord and you are done. So we got. That's almost everything for this lesson. Then we have the bridge, and for the bridge again you just do one down on each chord and that will be more than enough. So that's it for this lesson. Make sure to subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers in this month. I know it's a bit hard, but you guys can actually do this, and I'm also really working very hard for that and making better content for you guys with Tab. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if this helps you out, drop me down below one comment. Maybe requesting a song, maybe asking about anything guys want, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.